morning, friends. My name is Satish. I am from First TCE Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. In this video, I would like to talk about an interesting topic in artificial intelligence, which is TF and IDF, which means term frequency and inverse document frequency. Before we actually see about TF and IDF, we must know about bag of words. What is bag of words? Bag of words is a simplifying representation used in natural language processing and information retrieval. In this model, a text is represented as the bag of words, disregarding grammar and words order and going on multiplicity. The bag of words model is commonly used in methods of document classification, where the frequency of occurrence of each word is used for future training classifier. The bag of words model is simple to understand and implement and seen great success in problems such as language modeling and classification. It involves two steps. First step is a vocabulary of noun words and the second step is a measure of presence of noun words. We first see the first step, a vocabulary of noun words. This step revolves around constructing a document corpus which consists of all the unique words in the whole for the text presence in the data provided. It is sort like a dictionary where each index will be corresponding to one word and each word is different dimension. We see example, if you are given 4 reviews of an Italian pasta dish, we first see a review 1. This pasta is very tasty and affordable. We see review 2. This pasta is not tasty and it is affordable. Review 3. This pasta is delicious and cheap. Review 4. Pasta is tasty and pasta tastes good. Now if you count the unique words in the all 4 reviews, you get 12 unique words. That is we say this and pasta is very tasty and affordable and so on. We see about a measure of the presence of noun words. Now if you take the first review and plot count of each word in the below table, you will have where row 1 corresponding to index of the unique words and the row 2 correspond to the number of times a word across in a review. Here review 1. You see the table here. You will make a sparse vector of D unique words and each for document. We will fill it with number of times the corresponding word occurs in the document. We see review 4, pasta is tasty and pasta tastes good. For example, in the review 4, pasta has count 2, where in review 1 it is 2. We see the difference here. Again we have table. After converting the reviews into such vectors, we compare different sentences and calculate the Euclidean distance between them so as to check if two sentences are similar or not. If there would be no common words, distance would be much larger and vice versa. Both does not work very well. There are small changes in the terminology we are using, as here we have sentence with similar meaning but with just different words. The problems with bag of words are here. There are 3 examples. I like to play football. Did you go outside to play tennis? John and I play tennis. The resulting bag of words model looked like this. As you see table here, sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3. Play appears in all 3 rows. Tennis appears in 2 rows. 2 appears in only 2 rows. I appears in only 2 rows. Foot appears in only 1 row. One of the main problems associated with bag of words model is that it assigns equal value to the words irrespective of their importance. For instance, the word play appears in all the 3 sentences. Therefore, this word is very common. On the other hand, the word football only appear in 1 sentence. The words that are rare have more classifying power to the words that are in common. And the next remaining part will be explained by my friend.
Hi friends, this is Sai Kumar and my topic is TF. TF indicates term frequency. The idea behind the TF and IDF approach is that the words that are more common in one sentence and less common in other sentences should be given high weights. Step 1. Tokenization. Like the bag of words, the first step to implement TF and IDF model is tokenization. Sentence 1. I like to play football. Sentence 2. Did you go outside to play tennis? Sentence 3. John and I played tennis. Step 2. Find TF and IDF values. Once you have tokenized the sentences, the next step is to find the TF and IDF value for each word in the sentence. As discussed earlier, the TF value refers to term frequency and can be calculated as follows. TF equals to frequency of the word in the sentence by total number of words in the sentence. Friends, here is an example for TF. If you see sentence 1, here the word play repeats one time in the whole sentence, but the whole sentence contains 5 words, means the value of the sentence 1 TF value equals to 1 by 5. IDF refers to inverse document frequency and can be calculated as follows. IDF, total number of sentences by number of sentences containing words. Sorry friends, IDF is my friend's topic and I am not saying anything more information in IDF. Finally, the TF and IDF values are calculated by multiplying TF values with their corresponding IDF values. To find the TF and IDF value, we first need to create a dictionary of word frequencies as shown below. Word, if you see here the word I repeats 2 times, means the frequency of word I is 2. In the same way, here the word like repeats 1 time, means the frequency of word like is 1. And 2 repeats 2 times, then the frequency is 2. Next, let's start the dictionary in the ascending order of the frequency as shown in the following table. Word, here the play repeats 3 times, then the frequency of play is 3. Here tennis, the word tennis repeats 2 times, then the frequency of tennis is 2. If you say play, frequency of play is 3, means the word play repeats 3 times, then the IDF equals to 1, means the play repeats 3 times in 3 sentences. Here the word tennis repeats 2 times in 3 sentences, then the IDF value of tennis is 1.5. Here the word 2 repeats 2 times in 3 sentences, then the IDF value for word 2 equals to 1.5. Here the word did repeats 1 time in 3 sentences, then the IDF value of word did is 3.
After calculating the term frequency, we need to calculate the IDF. IDF refers to the inverse document frequency and can be calculated as follows. IDF equal to total number of sentences of the documents by number of sentences of the words that containing that certain word. For instance, consider these 3 sentences. I like to play football. Did you go outside to play tennis? John and I play tennis. Let's find the IDF frequency of the word play. Since we have 3 documents and the word play occurs in all of them, therefore the IDF frequency of the word play will be 1. And the next part is to find the TF IDF value. We first need to create a dictionaries of the word and their frequencies as shown in the below. Since in the 3 sentences I occurred in 2 sentences 2 times, so the frequency of I will be 2. Similarly, the frequencies of all the words is given in the form of dictionaries. After creating the dictionaries, we need to sort the dictionaries according to descending order. So the resultant after sorting the dictionaries in descending order. And finally, we need to calculate the TF and IDF values. It can be done by multiplying the TF and the corresponding IDF values. The TF IDF values of all the words in the sentence is calculated as follows. Inverse data frequency. It assigns weight to the rare words in the text corpus. It is defined as the log of the ratio of number of documents to the number of documents in which the particular word appears. It's nothing but For IDF formula, we need to add log. The log is used to dampen the effect of the ratio. It is particularly used when we have larger number of documents. For instance, consider if there are 1 lakh documents and the word appears only 10 of them, then the inverse document frequency without log will be 10,000. So it's a huge number. When we applied log to that, then the value becomes 4. In this way, inverse data frequency is used. And next part is IDF smoothing. Since it assigns 0 value to the word which is more commonly visible in the sentences, so instead of suppressing the word completely, we can modify the formula by adding +1 to the formula, and the new formula will be 1 plus log n by